smelling paint right now. I don't know why, but I can smell paint. Spray paint, regular paint, but we are here for what may be the finale. And so far, nobody seems to be very impressed by these fireworks. Not hearing too many people saying, ooh, ah, amazing. Anything of that, anything of that, I mean, it's amazing how, I mean, occasionally you hear kids scream, but it's just amazing how the crowd has been just so quiet. I mean, they've been talking to each other and just like not even really paying attention hardly to these. And I guess you see the same ones over and over and over again every year. You kind of get bored of it and just go, yeah. That's probably it. Are we done? I hope so. Oh, there goes the siren again for the fire truck. Wait. Nope. I think we're done. People are applauding. So we're out of here, folks. Thanks for watching, everybody. God bless you all. Hope you're having an awesome day. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my videos, please feel free to subscribe. Hope you guys had an awesome 4th of July. To my wonderful, beautiful wife, Sarah. Hope you had a great 4th of July, too, and I love you with all my heart. I'm going to have to keep this one short, gang, so I got to get on out of here, get back to the park, charge up some phones. Take care of yourselves. Try to be good yourself, and try to be good to others till we do this again. As always, stay strong and rock on.